G'day, my name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia. Today's date's the 6th of the 8th, 2015, and it's 4:09 in the morning, and I'm on the way back from the lake. And I put bird feed down earlier because I thought I heard some birds. Yeah, I'm right. Oh, look at this. Oh, wow. They're flying in from everywhere. I even got the grey one here, sort of scaring these other ones off. Grey one doesn't eat seeds, it eats. It doesn't mind the bread we give it to it. Or meat. Oh, actually, hold on, that's a different one. It's that little one. Where'd they go? Hey. That's that little rare one I don't normally get to see often. So I'll let them have a feed. You can hear in the background how rough it is too. Oh, there it is. Someone here after this one here is after insects. Doesn't really care too much about bird seed, that one at all. They'll sit down and eat together. It's actually not that windy here at the moment, which is good. It's windy on the beach, but not here. Huh. We're good. I was looking for bugs or insects in the bark. Oh well, I'll let them all have a feed then. Oh, interesting. The red one came back and they were real scattered. Ah well, I'll let them all have a feed. My name's Wilfred West from Loch, Victoria, Australia, signing off. Thank you for watching my videos, and all comments are welcome. You'll have a great day now.